Hi, Essa. This is Ricardo Figueroa. I'm the owner of RRG Digital Marketing. I'm doing this video because yesterday you requested more information about what we do right here. Can I send you the link of the video here in LinkedIn? You say, yeah, sure, I will. So I'm answering replying back to your message. I'm going to go over your business. This is not a sales pitch. I'm just going to point out where your business is standing when it comes to the online presence, how people are looking at your business, how you could find more customers if you follow the steps that I'm just giving you for free. But if you need any help with this and you want us to do this plan for you, there is a link. It's a discovery call. You will see the link right here once I'm done with this video. Let me go back real quick. You will see the link right here. It will say discovery link. So just click on it, pick any time that you want, and then it's not gonna be a sales call. You just go over a few details, answer your questions, and then we go from there. But so let's go over a few details about your business. When I click on show more, I click on your website. Looks like right here you have a broken site. So your site right now is not up, in which means that every time a person look for general contractors in San Francisco, the Bay Area, according to your profile right here, the Bay Area, they will never ever find you. So you are losing a lot of customers, new customers, just because your site is not up and just because you're not in the Google search organic area. Now, when it comes to maps, this is the map section. You don't really need a website, but you do need a profile, and that profile must be optimized. And what I mean with optimized means that it has an address or just a city and state and zip code, a phone number, schedule, pictures optimized with keywords like general contractors or kitchen remodel or cafe remodel and so on. So those simple little things are very important. Also, your profile for your business should have a system and that I could help you out implement a system that every time you do a job, I create a link so you can text the customer so they could leave a review for you right on the spot. It will take them straight to the review with already the 5 stars already clicked. So all they have to do is just leave a voice, a review, and that's it. You're good to go. So going back to the research, like I said, I searched general contractor San Francisco Bay Area, and your profile is not there. I look. This is the first page. I'm doing this live, so I'm going to the second page, and you're not there. I'm going to the third page. After the third page, be honest with you, people don't even look. So it's important to just put yourself in the first 3 pages of maps. Remember, this is the map section. You're not there because your website is not gonna be there because in the organic because it's not live. So definitely, this simple video could help you big time if you implement this. Activate your site, create a Google profile. That way, people will find you until you fix your website, and I could help you with both. Create a review system, create a professional profile in Google Maps, and I could help you also with that. If you want to use like social media, we could use social media like Facebook. Create Facebook posts, and then search all customers in the San Francisco Bay Area with like home improvement or kitchen remodeling using your own pictures that you have here because you got some very nice pictures here, previous jobs that you did in the past, like this one, that bathroom remodel. People just, there are many ways to just market this in your area. People that are flipping houses, they need someone to do their bathroom remodel, do their whole home, their whole kitchen
or their tiles or so on. There's so many things that you're not taking advantage of that I know we could um, work something out that will benefit both of us. So here's the quick video. Remember, I'm going to leave a link on below so you could watch the video. I'm going definitely follow up on you, and then schedule a call. Let's talk. Let me help you out. Let's answer your questions. Go over a few details. It's not gonna be a sales call, so don't worry. I'm just here to help you out, answer your questions, and then if you like my services, we could come up with something. So let me go take back something real quick. I out of all this organic, if you activate your website, out of all this organic section, don't count Yelp because that's a big company. Don't count Yelp, Holes, on the Blue Book. But this guy is the number one. This is in your area. I'm sure maybe you know them. Alton Construction. Look at their website. They don't have any trust flow. I could rank your website in a short period of time, and you be the number one guy instead of this company. Right now, you're not anywhere because your site is not even up. So definitely, man. Take action. Take action. Let's conquer these Google, Bing, Yahoo, all everything, all of them, social media, and I have a good plan for you, or ready for you. So only if you take action. Take care and talk to you soon.